Have you ever thought about what being alone can teach you? Living alone can profoundly shape your perspective and personal growth. It offers a chance to discover new dimensions of yourself, guided perhaps by the wisdom of Buddha's ancient teachings. His lessons on finding happiness, balance, and resilience in solitude remain timeless and can help transform the experience of living alone into a journey of self-discovery. Being alone isn't just about physical solitude. It's about embracing the stillness and uncovering hidden aspects of your identity. In a world that often feels noisy and fast-paced, the silence of living alone can initially feel daunting. You might miss the presence of others, yet within that quiet lies the opportunity for profound peace and self-awareness. Discovering peace in solitude. At first, solitude might feel like stepping into an empty room, with silence that seems unsettling. But this quiet space is a blank canvas filled with potential for self-discovery. Buddha taught the importance of balance, avoiding excess while appreciating simplicity. Similarly, living alone is not about loneliness, but learning to cherish moments of calm and turning them into opportunities for growth. You begin to listen to your thoughts, set meaningful goals, and practice mindfulness. These small steps cultivate self-reliance and inner harmony. Building routines brings structure, while self-care, both physical and emotional, becomes essential. Meditation, as emphasized in Buddha's teachings, helps you reflect on your thoughts without judgment, fostering self-compassion and understanding. Facing loneliness as a teacher. Loneliness is a natural part of life, and instead of fearing it, you can use it as a tool for growth. Buddha likened emotions to passing clouds. They are temporary. By recognizing loneliness as universal, you may find comfort in knowing others share these feelings, creating a sense of connection even in solitude. Practices like loving-kindness meditation, metta, can help you extend compassion toward yourself and others, transforming loneliness into an opportunity for empathy and understanding. Creative pursuits such as writing, art, or music can also channel your emotions and connect you with like-minded individuals. Building meaningful connections, whether through close friends or supportive communities, can ease feelings of isolation. The quality of relationships matters more than the quantity. Buddha's journey illustrates how understanding and embracing loneliness can deepen your insight into life and strengthen your sense of belonging. The art of self-sufficiency, learning to live alone, is a journey of independence. It starts with mastering practical skills like cooking, cleaning, and budgeting. These tasks teach responsibility and empower you to care for yourself. As Buddha advised, living with mindfulness and kindness extends not only to others, but also to yourself. Self-sufficiency isn't just about meeting physical needs. It's about nurturing your mental and emotional well-being. Meditation, exercise, and mindful living create a foundation for resilience. Each step, from preparing a meal to managing finances, strengthens your confidence and builds a life of fulfillment. Embracing the journey. Living alone is more than a challenge. It's an opportunity for transformation. It teaches you to appreciate stillness, understand your emotions, and enjoy your own company. Buddha's wisdom offers guidance in navigating this journey, helping you find peace within yourself and cultivate a meaningful, balanced life. As you embrace solitude, you uncover strengths you never knew you had and develop a deeper understanding of yourself and the world. This journey isn't about escaping loneliness. It's about finding joy and growth in its lessons, creating a life of contentment and connection. If you found these insights helpful, consider exploring more about Buddha's teachings to enrich your journey. Subscribe to our newsletter for deeper discussions on topics like these and discover tools to make your life more meaningful. Let me know if you'd like further adjustments. Here's a condensed version of your content. designed to fit one A4 page. Your impact on the world. While living alone fosters a deeper awareness of your choices, including their impact on the environment and others. It cultivates gratitude for life's small joys and encourages kindness and generosity. This journey towards self-sufficiency brings freedom and joy, empowering you to feel strong, independent, and connected to the world. Inspired by Buddha's teachings, this path demonstrates how independence leads to genuine happiness and fulfillment. Discovering inner serenity. Living alone offers a unique opportunity to cultivate inner peace. Serenity arises from how you respond to situations rather than external circumstances. This quiet time can become a sanctuary for personal growth and calm. Spending time in nature and establishing balanced routines also nurture inner serenity. Spiritual practices like meditation or reading inspiring texts deepen your sense of meaning. Achieving peace is a lifelong process, guided by Buddha's wisdom that true serenity lies within. Development through adaptability. Living alone teaches adaptability, strengthening you through challenges. Each obstacle is an opportunity for growth, much like a muscle growing stronger with use. Embracing life's changes helps you find peace in uncertainty. Adapting means staying flexible and learning new skills, enriching your life while boosting confidence. It's also important to recognize when to seek support from friends, family, or professionals. Maintaining connections ensures you feel part of a larger community. Reflection on your goals and aspirations furthers your growth. Adapting to life's transitions leads to resilience, a deeper understanding of yourself, and a stronger connection to the world around you. Cultivating social relationships. Living alone doesn't mean feeling lonely. It's an opportunity to strengthen bonds and build new connections. Reaching out to friends, joining groups, or volunteering fosters a sense of belonging. Quality relationships matter more than quantity, and small gestures, like inviting friends over, can deepen connections. Active listening and staying open to meeting new people enrich your life. Striking a balance between solitude and socializing enhances well-being, ensuring a fulfilling life. Embracing personal freedom. Living alone provides unparalleled freedom to explore who you are. With no external influences, you can fully embrace your preferences and try new hobbies or activities. This freedom inspires creativity and excitement, helping you discover hidden talents. Setting your own routines and making decisions, big or small, builds confidence and independence. Living alone encourages you to pursue personal goals and create a life tailored to your happiness. Through solitude, you cultivate self-awareness, inner peace, and meaningful connections, creating a balanced and enriched existence. Living alone. A journey of freedom, contentment, and empowerment. Living alone provides a unique opportunity to design your life on your terms. Set your own goals, whether in business, personal pursuits, or self-improvement, and enjoy the freedom to pursue them at your own pace. Create a space that reflects your personality, from its design to its ambience, making your home a haven that mirrors your true self. Embracing this independence is empowering, enabling you to discover who you are and build a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. Cultivating contentment. Living alone allows you to experience genuine contentment by finding joy in the little things. Moments like savoring your morning coffee or watching the sunset hold profound happiness. Practicing gratitude daily helps you appreciate what you already have, while being present in the moment fosters deeper fulfillment. True happiness comes from within, not from external possessions or achievements. Simplifying your life and focusing on what truly matters reduces stress and brings peace. creating a more meaningful existence. Exploring spirituality. Living alone offers a tranquil space for spiritual exploration and self-discovery. Take time to reflect on life's larger questions, experiment with practices like meditation, and explore spiritual traditions that resonate with you. Meditation connects you to your inner self and the world, fostering peace and insight. Design a sacred space at home for your practices, where you can reflect, meditate, or study spiritual teachings. Nature also serves as a powerful guide, inspiring awe and a sense of connection with all living things. Freedom and empowerment. Living alone is a journey of self-reliance and empowerment. Making decisions independently, from daily choices to life plans, builds confidence and autonomy. Setting and pursuing your goals adds purpose and excitement to your life, giving you a sense of achievement. This journey is not just about having your own space. It's about unlocking your potential, chasing your dreams, and creating a fulfilling life. You already have everything you need to live independently and meaningfully. If you've found value here, there's more to discover on this empowering path to self-discovery and happiness. Have you ever wondered what living alone can teach you? It's more than just silence. It's an opportunity to uncover your true self, embrace freedom, and find joy in the little moments. Living alone invites you to grow, reflect, and design a life that's authentically yours. Subscribe to our channel, Spiritual Motivation, for more insights and inspiration to empower your journey toward peace, growth, and fulfillment. Pukal.